Let's learn and speak. Hello everyone and dear children, once again welcome back to Let's Learn and Speak French with English. Before entering into the video, please consider to subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for more interesting upcoming videos. Today in this video, we are going to learn how to pronounce the OU sound in French. Aujourd'hui dans cette vidéo, nous allons apprendre comment prononcer le son OU en français. In French, the letter combination OU is pronounced more or less like the OU sound in the English word soup. That means OU is pronounced as OO. For example, boule, which means ball in English. Boule, ball. Bouche, which means mouth. Bouche, mouth. Bouge, which means move. Bouge, move. Cou, which means neck. Cou, neck. Coupe, which means cut. Coupe, cut. Douze, which means 12. Douze, 12. Douche, which means shower. Douche, shower. Fourmi, which means ant. Fourmi, ant. Jouer, which means to play. Jouer, to play. Loup, which means wolf. Loup, wolf. Poulet, which means chicken. Poulet, chicken. Route, which means road. Route, road. Souris, which means mouse. Souris, mouse. Soup, which means soup. Soup, soup. Vous, which means you. Vous, you. Once again we repeat. Boule, ball. Bouche, mouth. Bouge, move. Coupe, cut. Cou, neck. Douche, shower. Douze, 12. Fourmi, ant. Jouer, to play. Loup, wolf. Poulet, chicken. Souris, mouse. Soup, soup. Route, road. Vous, you. Thanks everyone for watching this video. Please subscribe for more interesting videos.